Manufacturing has never been more demanding. Customers expect higher quality, tighter traceability, faster delivery, and consistent performance across every product they receive. Supply chains are becoming more complex. Regulations continue to evolve. And every defect, deviation, supplier issue, or production delay impacts profitability. Yet many manufacturers still manage quality processes across spreadsheets, paper forms, emails, and disconnected systems. Critical information becomes fragmented when teams need it most. Cloudtheapp brings quality, safety, compliance, and manufacturing operations together on one AI-powered platform. With more than 60 integrated applications, Cloudtheapp helps manufacturers digitalize every stage of quality and operational control. From inspections, audits, supplier quality, and receiving, to non-conforming material, CAPA, equipment management, calibration and maintenance, and much more. Support ISO 9001 quality management principles through controlled processes, risk-based thinking, complete traceability, documented workflows, and continuous improvement. Cloudtheapp Thunder AI transforms the way quality systems are built. Simply describe your requirements. Generate applications. Configure workflows. Build dashboards. And launch compliant solutions in minutes without writing a single line of code. Every quality event remains connected. From supplier quality and inspections to CAPA, change control, training, and management review. Giving your team complete visibility from issue to resolution. Gain real-time visibility into quality performance. Monitor trends. Measure effectiveness. Identify risks earlier. And make faster, data-driven decisions. Configure safely. Validate efficiently. And deploy changes across environments in seconds using Cloudtheapp's built-in configuration management capabilities. Reduce defects. Improve traceability. Strengthen supplier quality. Accelerate investigations. Improve compliance. And build a smarter manufacturing operation. Cloudtheapp, the AI-powered platform for quality, safety, compliance, and manufacturing excellence. More than 60 applications, one connected platform, and unlimited possibilities.